Sedgwick County Emergency Management will not be testing the outdoor warning sirens today due to weather conditions in the area. Sedgwick County outdoor warning sirens are normally tested every Monday at noon, except holidays, and when weather conditions are such that cloud cover obscures more than 50% of the sky or radar shows precipitation in the area, or if the area is under a severe weather watch. The alert mode is a steady tone used for tornado warning. The attack mode is a classic rise and fall sound used for air attack warning in times of war. Outdoor warning sirens are designed to be an early warning device primarily for persons who are outside away from the television or radio.
This is a test from the State of Idaho Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test was conducted from the Bannock County Dispatch Office in Pocatello, Idaho, and is now concluded. This is a test from the State of Idaho Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test was conducted from the Idaho State Communications Center in Meridian, Idaho, and is now concluded.
Thank you for listening to WAHC. We need to interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Connecticut, all of Districts of Columbia, all of Delaware, all of Florida, all of Georgia, all of Indiana, all of Kentucky, all of Massachusetts, all of Maryland, all of Maine, all of Michigan, all of North Carolina, all of New Hampshire, all of New Jersey, all of New York, all of Ohio, all of Pennsylvania, all of Rhode Island, all of South Carolina, all of Virginia, all of Vermont, and all of West Virginia beginning at 11:01 a.m. and ending at 12:01 p.m. Test message IPAWSCAP EAS feed configuration test message.
Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 6024 Blue Ridge Boulevard, Raytown, Missouri on March 7, 2022 at 9:32 a.m. Abducted was Richard Evans, 3, black male, age 2. Suspect vehicle is a white 2006 Dodge Caravan bearing Missouri registration HU49L. Vehicle has a star-shaped sticker above the Dodge emblem on the left side of the hatch. Victim Richard Evans, 3, is 1 feet 0 inches tall, 50 pounds, has brown hair and black eyes. Last seen wearing all black clothing with black and red shoes. Victim has a short faded haircut. Child was in the vehicle which was stolen while parked in front of the Minute Mart on Blue Ridge Boulevard. Alert was broadcast to the Truckee region. Please call 911 or Raytown Police Department at 816-737-6020 if you have any information pertaining to this alert. This is a cancellation of an Amber Alert that was issued by Raytown Police Department on March 7, 2022 at 9:32 a.m. Abducted was Richard Evans 3, black, male, age 2. Child has been located safe. Suspect is in custody.
Participant has issued an administrative message for Duval, Florida, beginning at 12:01 p.m. March 7, 2022, and ending at 1:01 p.m. March 7, 2022. An endangered missing adult alert is being issued on behalf of the JAX Sheriff's Office for Cornelius Newman. Cornelius Newman is a black male and is 82 years of age. He is reported to suffer from several medical conditions which require continued medication. He left his home on foot in the area of Lem Turner RD and Roab. Please call 904-630-0500 or 911 if he is seen. A civil authority has issued a required weekly test for Arizona, Colorado, Idaho, Montana, New Mexico, Utah, and Wyoming, beginning at 1 p.m. March 7, 2022, and ending at 2 p.m. March 7, 2022. Test message IPAWSCAP EAS feed configuration test message. A civil authority has issued a required weekly test for Alaska, beginning at 3 p.m. March 7, 2022, and ending at 4 p.m. March 7, 2022. Test message IPAWSCAP EAS feed configuration test message.
This is a test, only a test, of the emergency alert system, for the Island County Department of Emergency Management. In the event of an actual emergency, this system would bring you important public safety information. The following tones conclude this test.
A civil authority has issued a required monthly test for Grant, Washington, Chelan, Washington, and Douglas, Washington, beginning at 4:50 p.m. March 7, 2022, and ending at 7:50 p.m. March 7, 2022. This is a test of the emergency alert system issued by the Grand County Sheriff's Office. In an actual emergency, the system would provide important information for this area. The following tones will conclude this test of the emergency alert system.
This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment originating from Josephine County Emergency Management in cooperation with public safety, broadcasters, and cable operators. This system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to life or property. If this had been an actual emergency requiring immediate action or evacuation, official messages would follow the alert tone. This is only a test.
A civil authority has issued a required weekly test for American Samoa, beginning at 5 p.m. March 7, 2022, and ending at 6 p.m. March 7, 2022. Test message IPAWS OpenCAP EAS feed configuration test message.